Sabrina Martinez, 2016's Grand Champ from Tepura. The bird who dares to fall is the bird who dares to fly. Once birds learn to fly, they go out to explore the vastness of the land, sea, and sky. While trying to find their place in the world, birds go through both good and bad experiences, which help shape the birds into becoming a symbol of daring strength and perseverance. The bird I chose to portray in my piece represents the experiences I have had as a dancer. These experiences have helped me grow as a dancer through taking risks and persevering as I try to find my place in the world. Back for 2017, ladies and gentlemen, Sabrina Martinez, 226. Thank you, Sabrina.